Can't see anything now at the moment. Basically, we're really late. We're really far behind. We're quite tired. Don't think we've got much left in us. You won't be able to see us. This is more likely to be microphone only. Yeah. Yes, but it doesn't work in the dark, so we're massively behind. We've just got to fill up from these lovely marshals. Patrick, they're being a bit of a twat. Right, it's purely just listening now. It's really tough now. We've had 2 men down. Actually, about 3 men down. But they got back up again like the brave scouts they are. You can't see this, but I'm tripping all over the place. It's not going well on our end. You're probably watching from your comfy living rooms.
We've got the lights over there.
So, just spotted some catches. We are very screwed. See you later.